Here is another exciting whole-day meal plan that is healthy, delicious, and effective for diabetes patients. Meal Plan 3. Mediterranean Delight. Breakfast. Mediterranean omelet with tomatoes, feta cheese, olives, and fresh herbs. Whole grain toast topped with mashed avocado and a sprinkle of chili flakes. Greek yogurt parfait with layers of mixed berries and a drizzle of honey. Lunch. Lentil and vegetable stuffed bell peppers with a side of tzatziki sauce, quinoa tabbouleh salad with cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and parsley grilled chicken skewers with lemon and oregano marinade. Dinner. Baked white fish, like cod or tilapia, with a tomato and olive tapenade. Roasted eggplant and zucchini stack with melted mozzarella cheese. Spinach and chickpea sauté with garlic and lemon. Snacks. Almond stuffed dates, hummus and sliced bell peppers. Baked kale chips with a sprinkle of nutritional yeast. These meal plans offer a variety of flavors, textures, and nutrients while being mindful of diabetes-friendly choices. Adjust portion sizes based on individual dietary needs and consult with a healthcare provider or dietitian for personalized advice. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. If you did, please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. They will surely appreciate it. Until next time, take the very best care of yourself. Goodbye.